Oh, hey, one more thing. Remember I was saying on the light switches, I wasn't quite sure if a dimmable dimmer light switch would work on these light fixtures. Well, I read the directions. It's always good to read the directions, even when they're really super small like this. It might give you some insight. And they said that it should be able to be okay to install with a dimmable light switch, like a dimmer light switch, kind of like this one in this other room. Okay, so I'm going to end up taking this off and I'm going to put it over there. Now, remember I was saying if it's a single pole, that was a single pole dimmable light switch, which means that dimmer went initially to a regular light fixture and went to that one light. Well, I think this is interchangeable, interconnected to both of these light fixtures. So I think if I put one dimmer light switch on here, it'll probably work both of those. Now if, for instance, and I haven't checked it yet, but I'm pretty sure that light switch only controls those two, but I'm not 100% sure. It could also control another light over here that we're going to put the same type of light fixture on. It could control this over here. It could be on a three-way light switch, but I don't really think it is. If you have a three-way light switch, which means if you can turn your lights on in two different locations, like see this light here, I can turn that on right here, see there, and I can turn that on and off from this one over here, right here. Let's get you down here. This one right here, see? That's called a three-way switch. So when you install your switch, and this happens to be a lit switch, so at night it's really nice to have that, because at night if we're going downstairs or something and it's dark, we can at least see this light switch, and if we need to hit that to turn the lights on, we can before we fall down the stairs or something like that. But if you have a light that is controlled in two different areas, you have to have, and if you're going to put a dimmer switch on there, you have to make sure that the dimmer light switch is a three-way dimmer light switch. And yes, they do make those at the store, believe it or not. I didn't know that they did that until a couple years ago. I wanted to put a dimmer on a ceiling fan or a light, and I found out that it was a three-way because it was controlled over at another area too, and I put a dimmable switch in there, and sure enough, it worked. And so it's kind of funky how the three-way light switches work for the dimmable light switch, but they do have those. Okay, so I just wanted to point on that, just in case you don't happen to watch any more of my videos or miss that on a different video. Okay, all right. This is going to be cool when I get done with them. And see, a lot of times you can hit different switches. See, I happen to have that on. I took the covers off for right now because I'm gonna readjust that. That almost looks kind of cool without the thing on there at all. But that's not really how you're supposed to have those. Okay, but if you want to know if that's on a three-way, then you can just start hitting other lights. And you know, I know it's not that one, and I know it's not that one over there, and I'm pretty sure it's not that one, and I'm thinking that one controls this and that or that. In fact, you know what? That one could control this, and maybe not that, and that could be controlled downstairs on another light switch, or that one light switch could be controlled on all three of those, and that could be a three-way light switch from here on downstairs. So you got to check everything out. And the funny thing is too, talking about dimmable three-way light switches, well, down here we've got an area where we've got an area for can lights that is on a four-way switch. And you see these, it's funny, these three are controlled with that switch. It's also controlled with this switch that has a dimmer. See? And I'm pretty sure it's controlled by one of these switches. And I'm thinking it's this first one, see? Now, when you have 3 switches controlled on one area, that's called a 4-way light switch. So this has to be a 4-way light switch, that has to be a 4-way light switch, and that one over there has to be a 4-way light switch, but it's not. And the reason why I know that is because sometimes when I turn this off, I can't turn the lights on in a different area until I start messing with it. See this? Look at that. It's not working now. And I don't think it's going to work over here. It might. See? Nothing. And that's because I believe this is a 3-way dimmer light switch. It's not a 4-way dimmer light switch. And now look at that. I can't even get these lights to work until I turn that back on. And then I think I can come over here and hit this. Maybe not. Every once in a while I have to mess around with these lights. See there? Nothing so far. Let's turn this the other way and just do a little dance. Hold my mouth just right. Look at that. I can't even get these lights to work now. I'll get them. This wasn't even going to be part of it, but maybe you're learning something. See, one of these light switches may have to be in the up position in order for that to work. And because I messed around with those, I haven't gotten it yet. I haven't gotten it in the right sequence yet. So let's just monkey around with this a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to turn that one down, turn this one the other way, and maybe I can get it this time. Nope. Look at that. See, that's what I hate about these lights. Once something happens to it, I gotta mess around with these lights before they work again, because I've got that dimmer switch on there. And it's a 3-way, not a 4-way. Now I can't even get this silly thing to work. I was not going to turn this off until I got this on for you. Oh, joy. This one's outside, so that shouldn't be it at all. Come on. Come on. I'm going to turn that the other way. Oh, good grief. I'm getting you dizzy now. Okay. I'm bound and determined to get this on whatever sequence I gotta have it on. Did I might have tripped the breaker. I might have tripped the breaker outside. See there? Look at that. I got it on now. See, I don't know what sequence happened there, but do you see what I'm talking about? All that because one of these light switches is not a 4-way light switch, and I'll bet you dimes to donuts that is the dimmer switch. And I'll bet you the electrician didn't know that you cannot put a 3-way dimmable light switch on a 4-way system. And I don't even know if they make a dimmer light switch that is a 4-way dimmable light switch. I just don't know if they do or not. Okay, well, enough of that. Time for me to install some light fixtures.